Learn sounds like cat, dog, and more using 34 animal sounds. Hello and welcome back to PSV Media. Let's learn. Dog. Cat. Horses. Goat and sheep. Pig. Cows. Donkeys. Chicken. Roosters. Birds. Owl. Duck and geese. Turkeys. Mosquitoes. Crickets. Frogs. Lion. Tiger. Bear. Alligator. Dolphin. Giraffe. Guinea pig. Hyena. Monkey. Parrot. Peacock. Seagulls. Rat. Raven. Snake. Squirrel. Wolf. Elephant. Thank you so much for watching PSV Media. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you'll be notified in our next video.